Let's say you have a customer eagerly waiting for an invoice to make a payment. Or perhaps a customer needs a quote to finalize their decision. Maybe you have a customer who just made a payment and is waiting for their receipt. No worries. In this tutorial, you'll discover how to effortlessly create and send a quote, invoice, or receipt with Keepup Store. Let's dive in. First, click on Sales and Orders from the side menu and click on Create Invoice Receipt. This will take you to the Create an Invoice Receipt form, which is divided into 5 sections. Start with the Customer Details section. Here you enter the customer's name, phone number, and email. While this information is optional, entering it adds the customer to your customer list, making it easy to track sales by customer. Adding their phone number or email also allows you to send a copy to them via SMS and email. Next, move to the Products and Services section. Add the items the customer is buying by clicking on Add Product to add an item from your inventory. Add Service to add a service from your services, or Add Custom Item to add a custom item. Enter the item name, quantity, and price. Repeat these steps to add more items. The Delivery and Pickup section is optional. Here you can add the fulfillment type, delivery or pickup, the location name, the area where the delivery will be made, a landmark powered by Google Places for a more specific location, and the delivery fee. In the Discount and Taxes section, which is also optional, you can add a discount as a flat amount or a percentage using the drop-down. You can also add a tax profile, which is a profile created with all the types of taxes and their percentage values applied to a sale when selected. Finally, in the Dates and Payments section, set the issue date and the due date. If the customer has made a payment, select the payment type and enter the amount received from the customer. Leave the amount received as 0 if no payment has been made. When no amount is entered, you can send or save the sale as a quote or an invoice. If a partial payment is entered, the sale automatically becomes an invoice. When full payment is entered, the sale automatically becomes a receipt. This is how you send a quote, invoice, or receipt to your customer. Now, click Save or Send to submit the form. This saves the record and takes you to the Details page. To share this, scroll to the bottom and click on the Share button. You'll have options to copy the link and share it with your customer, send it via WhatsApp by clicking the WhatsApp icon, or share it via Telegram by clicking the Telegram icon. Here's a quick side note on how products are deducted from inventory when sold. The quantity of products sold is deducted from your inventory based on the inventory reduction settings in your sales settings. The default setting is on invoice, which means inventory is reduced when the invoice is created. However, you can choose from other options, on part payment, where inventory is reduced when a partial payment is made, or on receipt, where inventory is reduced only when full payment is received. And that's it. Now you're all set to create and send quotes, invoices, and receipts with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Until then, happy selling.